Hello and good morning, everyone. My name is Latosin. I'm bringing you the outlook for today, 15th of July 2026. So, yesterday we have the CPI number, much lower than expectation. Everything basically across the board we have a lower than expectation reading. There was no forward guidance by Fed Chair yesterday as to what the interest rate decision may support the debate going on the interest rate decision by the FOMC. Today we have PPI by 130, certain reduction as well. The PPI itself, I think it will the rating to be 0.0, reduction by minus 1.1, and the core as well to be reduced by 0.1, which is quite interesting. And today we have the effect of the CPI release yesterday. As market is forward looking, we have an engulfing candle on the day. But bear in mind that we are still trading inside the range of this NFP candle from last week Thursday. That has still been the range on the euro. Currently, we have the rally. This was a 5 minutes candle. Believe me, 5 minutes candle moved to the side, took out so many highs. That previous week high, engulfing candle for the week. That is prior week's low, prior week's high. Very candle for the week on that day. And after I saw this candle, 5 minutes candle yesterday, I just gave up my trading ideas and said no more longs, no more trade today. But I've looked for short, but it's too risky. So we have this range created earlier in the morning by 3 o'clock. We appear to be wanting out for it, but I won't be looking to trade the range high for a break and retest. I look for prices to come lower, perhaps at the weekly open, which is also where the pickup is for the day, or even better, the pickup is around the range low for that candle. Those would be the best price. And euro currently is slightly bullish because of the CPI readings yesterday. So a trade like this won't be bad this morning. Today, I may not be looking to trade it very quickly in London, except you do have this flush. I'm not going to be able to trade this high. But better yet, if we do have something like this, so I'm going to wait for it to bounce first. Something like this, mostly. Wait for it to bounce and then catch it to the upside. The government can just take at high, not a good market scenario for me. You may actually push it. Honestly, just watch the 7 o'clock candlestick trade and then start looking for trades by 8 o'clock. That will be my idea. For gold, this one actually retraced the NFP TCPI candle and retraced into this zone where I'm sure many people have marked. People would mark as a demand block. Really, we are trading below VWAP for the week, which is something notable. I expected us to hold the structure around here for today or grow below. And currently, we are trading to this night support. This 15 minutes engulfing candle. So we are currently trading inside of. It will be good, really, if gold does bounce back. The only skew on the CPI data is the fact that there is war in the Middle East, which might eventually raise inflation if the war continues. And so the idea for trade on gold is also a long, but this one is actually more bearish than euro because the rally yesterday didn't even reach the week open. So on the week we have a weakless candle to the upside, which is not showing that we are very bearish for the week. Frankly, Brahe, I don't want to be short in this range. If anything, I want to look for long. I'm going to view up on the day's high because the CPI reading is showing that there is inflation is going down in the US and there could be a rate cut. but that is killed because um, there's no fault guardians by FOMC anymore, and also the fact that um, there's war in the Middle East. So people are a bit cautious on this one. I do expect some movement later on in the day. And I expect the movement to start very soon. So this one as well is uh, if you don't get in very early, and we are around 41, 40, maybe best to wait us to transcend this low volume node region. Just up inside to a low volume node region the hourly structure. Somewhere around there. So if you have to get in early, if you want to trade long, just wait up on this one. Just to get above the viewer and then start looking for trades. I'm going to be looking to long early though. It's small lot size to start with. Small size to start with. So for yes, S&P 500 as well. We have this rally during NFP release. We actually watched the 5 minutes candle very early during session open and session range in S&P. Nothing convinced. And this candle was quite big, and the engagement at session open was quite low. So I didn't trade this at all. And this will be the first time in a while where I didn't have a trade on Monday and Tuesday. But today, we are looking mostly as good. This one I don't like trading outside the regular trade hour. So I'm going to wait till like 2:30 on S&P. I'm looking for a trade on gold. Euro, not very interested at the moment. Wait a little bit further. So those are trade ideas for this morning, guys. Good luck and good trade. I'll see you guys later. Bye for now.